There is a very good news to you all that OnePlus Campus Ambassador program is now open and you all can apply for this. But how you can apply and what is going to happen in this Campus Ambassador program and what are the required criteria for selection, I am just going to mention in this video. But before going, please subscribe my channel Career Edge. You can see there are many of the subscribers, but if you haven't subscribed this channel, then you can subscribe because you got lots of opportunities related to educational, just like internship, as well as free courses and free goodies opportunities. Different type of things are there on my channel, so please subscribe and hit the like button and please share if you like this video also. So let me start this video and show how you can get this campus ambassador program and how you can apply. So this is a recently we see the notification of this of campus ambassador program, and I got notified through different channels. So you can see here, this is the now OnePlus is accepting the request, and the campus ambassador program of OnePlus is means accept the newcomers only one time, and this is the month, that is August. And all the campus ambassador program of OnePlus will be start from 1 August, from August. So this is a very good chance for you all to apply. Firstly, if you wants to know about OnePlus campus ambassador program, so there is a full uh, paragraph given about the program. But as if you have attended any campus ambassador program, or or you have applied for any campus ambassador program as like that program, this is also there. But this is not an any technical campus company. OnePlus is related to the mobile manufacturing and different type of mobile accessories. Then the marketing part is also there in this student campus ambassador program. So you can see here, OnePlus campus ambassador is a campus connect program that aims to form a fraternity of individual who wants to make a difference in the world through technology and have a fun while doing it. So friends, what you will get if you selected for this program? So as you all know, campus being a campus ambassador is made as very beneficial for you. It develops different type of technical skills in you, but also there is some rewards also in all the student program. And also here you can see there are different type of existing rewards, just like monthly stipend you got. Also OnePlus devices, some OnePlus devices you got for free, and also some members only OnePlus merchandise, just like free t-shirts and different type of things, just like hoodies, bottles, and different type of things are there which you can get if you got selected for this OnePlus intern campus ambassador program. So here you can see different type of phases are there. Campus marketing experience you got here by deploying marketing campaigns and assist in planning, execution, and coordination process. Next is be a part of the exclusive OnePlus team, because if you got selected, then you got connected with all the campus ambassadors who got selected for this for all over India. And also all round learning experience, because not only you are going to do promotion and different type of things, also you are going to get some free trainings from OnePlus, which may help you to enhance your skills of technical skills also. So you can see here, you should join if you are different type of three parts are given. This is important: curious about making a positive impact through innovative technology, excited to join the ranks of one of the most sought after fraternities, and obsessed with OnePlus life. So the three things are there, but these are the not a required criteria. You need to watch this full video if you wants to know how you can apply, what is going to happen in this, what are the minimum criteria for choosing any one. So just I am going to show you, but firstly I'm just introducing about something which they displayed on this page. So you can see here the who can apply for this and what you are going to do in this campus ambassador program. So you need to if you are a content creator, just like you can create a content which connects to the student community. Next is understand and study social media to identify and execute in what innovative trends, and also be involved in creative collaboration for a brand campaigns. So here different type of skills are needed. For the first part, it is needed a content creator. Second part is it's a job of data analytics or those who can analyze the data. And at the last you can see here this these are the project manager type things, means uh, who can hold different type of campus in there, who will hold different type of campus for in their campus for OnePlus. So here you can see campuspreneurs, just like entrepreneurs, here it's written campuspreneurs. And different type of things here also given, design and different type of things, which means unique ideas for OnePlus. And different type of promotion skills you need to, if you have, then you can apply for this internship. And also tech innovator, so many of you are from the tech background. I think many of my videos will my viewers are from the technical colleges, and most of them are doing btech degree. So you can see here different type of skills, tech innovator things are also going to happen in this student ambassador program. And also if you are not from tech field, you can apply because they are they want applications from all the colleges of India, and I'm just going to show you how you can apply. So here you can see bring forward ways to innovate and take consumer technology to the next level, represent the voice of the student tech community, and initiate the research and take talent across the student groups. So at the last, I am just going to show you all the things which you wants to ask, and the things which you all know, means who can apply, how you can apply, what are the required criteria. Now I am going to show you. I think from the initial of the video I just explained the this thing, what is one plus campus ambassador program and what is going to happen. Now I am just going to show you who can apply. Who can apply? There are three criteria given. Anyone who meets the below criteria: minimum 18 years of age, strong written and verbal communication skills in English, and at the last, graduate and postgraduate students currently pursuing their degree in India. Okay, so these are the three skills required here. This campus ambassador program only for the students in India. Now how do we apply for this? What happens after I apply? So you can apply directly through this page, which you can get if you go through link in the description of my this video. And when you click on the for the that link which I just pasted in the description box, when you tap on that you got a different page, and there you just go through apply now button, and you got this page. And when you got this page, you just apply for the campus ambassador program. How you can apply, I am just going to show you in this video also. So you can see here, next thing is, can a student from any university can apply? Yes, all students can apply from any university. How long is the campus ambassador program? Means total months of this campus semester program, total 9 months program is there. Next thing is, what are the responsibilities for a student? You can see there are three responsibilities which is given here. Ideate on the execute innovative campus campaign plans. I just mention all of these things in my previous in the initial of this video. Now next thing is, will OnePlus support the ambassador in campus activities they execute? Yes, can OnePlus back all the activities if you will do for the OnePlus. And next thing is, are there any incentives for the student ambassadors? As I say that different type of incentives: cash rewards, merchandise, and also free devices from OnePlus. And at the last, how can I contact if I have any questions regarding the student ambassador program? So there is a given mail, from that you can just go through that mail, and if you have any doubt you can ask. So I think all the doubts and all the things are now clear for you. Now I am just going to show you how you can apply for this internship. So here there is a button of register now. So when you tap on this, you can see So here you can see this page will open, and here it is written, we are currently accepting application for the OnePlus student campus ambassador program, and kindly fill the form. We shall get in touch with you if you are shortlisted for the next round. So only those students get mail. Firstly, you got a confirmation mail when you apply for this, and if you doesn't get, means if you got selected for this, then also you got a mail. So for the students who got selected for the next round get their mail. And the next thing is, what are the things which will be asked in this application process. Name is given, age, gender, city, mobile, mail, college, course and year, Instagram link, why do you want to apply, and which team do you want to join, why this team, and what is your vision for SAP 21 and 22. And there are different type of things which you can see here. And also, if you doesn't means have an idea about any question, you just google it, just copy and paste on the pages, and you got the directly answer of that questions. And if you doesn't get question answers, you can just go through the comment section of my video, and you can ask any questions, any doubt if you have for this campus ambassador program of OnePlus. So I think you now there is not any doubts from my side. If you want to ask any question, you just go through the comment section, and if all the doubts are clear, just go and register for this campus ambassador program from OnePlus. And at the last, please subscribe my channel if you and also please share this video and like this video, so that many of the other students also get notified for this video, and they can apply for this campus ambassador program from OnePlus. So that's much in this video. Thanks for watching.